This is the exact $900 gaming PC build for at Bark4 Exo, at Subaru_on60, and at Justellis_1. Like, subscribe, and let's start. CPU, Ryzen 5 5600, $120. GPU, Radeon RX 6700 XT, $300. Motherboard, B550, $120. RAM, 16GB DDR4, $45. Storage, 1TB SSD, $60. PSU, 650 watts bronze, $75. Case, Airflow Mid Tower, $80. Cooling Air Cooler, $40. Total, exact $900. Performance, expect smooth 1080 Ti, Ultra Gaming, great 1440 performance. Perfect for A games and competitive play. Drop your budget in the comments for your own build.